Mr. Pen's 20-sheet full-strip stapler is perfect for your everyday stapling. They work best with quarter-inch staples. The main reason for a stapler jam is not using a good quality or appropriate size staples. If your stapler ever gets jammed, just place a pencil under the staple and staple a couple of times to unjam it. Mr. Pen's stapler has both inward bent and outward bent stapling capability. If you don't know, you use the outward bent stapling mostly when you are stapling something temporarily, because the staple is easier to remove. To replace the staples, simply pull up the top and insert new staples in the empty slot. Mr. Pen's stapler can be opened all the way for stapling papers and objects on the wall. Just hold both sides of the stapler and pull hard to open all the way. When you are done, close the two prongs until it clicks.